Hi everyone, here we've got LG K52 and let me show you how to set date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now let's choose this third position, the date and time, and here we've got two different options to customize. So first of all we can decide if you'd like to set the date and time automatically, which is right now set up, which is activated, or if you'd like to set it manually. So in order to do that, just tap on the switcher to turn off the set automatically option, and now the date, time and time zone are active, so we can freely tap on it, for example on the time, and by swiping we can choose the time you'd like to use. Just tap on OK and confirm, and as you can see it immediately appears on the status bar. The same situation with the date, so simply tap on it, and here from this calendar you can choose the date you'd like to currently have, so for example the 16th of April. Let's tap on OK. The same situation, it is also immediately applied. We can select the time zone, just tap on it, and here from this list you can choose the time zone you'd like to use, so simply find it and tap on the one you'd like to use. But be aware that after selecting the time zone manually, the time will also change according to the time zone. Under all of those options we've got the 24-hour format option, which is right now active. If you'd like to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see it is immediately applied. So actually that's all. This is how to manually set date and time. If you'd like to get back to all previous settings, just tap on the switcher to use 24-hour format, and in order to set the date and time automatically, so it will be network provided, just tap on the switcher here, and as you can see it is also immediately applied. So actually that's all. This is how to set date and time in your LG K52. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.